What happened to your leg there, Sonny? Let me just fix it. There you go, old man. I'm sorry. You're on camera. Go ahead. Well, hello there. Well, goodness. Goodness. What did my voice turn to a girl's voice when I'm a man? My goodness. Well, hello. Welcome to the channel, laddie. If you are indeed new to the channel, go ahead and become a wolf by liking and subscribing.